I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to fade into part of a video using Shotcut. Step 1. Open the video in Shotcut with a section that you want to fade into. Step 2. Click to select the video section in the timeline that you want to fade into. That video section will have a red line around it. Step 3. Click to select Filters in the menu and then click the Add a Filter icon, which looks like a plus sign. Click Video to see a list of all of the available video filters and then click Fade in Video in this list. The Fade in Video filter will be added and you'll see a shaded section at the beginning of the video clip that you want to fade into. By default, the fade in time will be 1 second. You can change the duration of your video fade-in time by navigating to the duration section and then adjusting the time to be either longer or shorter. In this example, I'll adjust the fade-in video duration from 1 second to 2 seconds. You can preview the video fade-in by pressing the play button in the video preview player. You can remove the fade-in video effect at any time by selecting the video section the filter is applied to, clicking to select filters, selecting that filter, and then clicking Remove Selected Filter, which looks like a minus sign. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.